The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. And right about now, I have a video to show you that is from within a police station that is located in Trinidad and Tobago. And in this video, it shows up objects being thrown, and it is said that the objects that are being thrown in the police station is basically from people that are behind the bars, are in the jail of the police station that I'm telling you about that is located in Trinidad and Tobago. Some people on social media are saying that these are some of the things police officers of Trinidad and Tobago have to go through day by day, and some people are saying that the police officers looked overworked and there is more things being said about this. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I am going to show you the video right about now, and you can also tell me what to think. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
So what we know fucking mad thing. And what we know is that it's mad fucking thing, boy. I say born nah leave it. What Chody? See what we know and see what friggin' going on.
We have to put some food, boy. We have to put food. We food.
Rampy, just put back my smaller bowl and the big bowl, please.
National Guard.
You cannot be giving in to these criminals, boy.